You guys already know that Amazon has tons of product to promote and you can earn serious cash money with that. But you don't know how to get started, you don't know how to get signed up for the process, you don't know how to choose the product which is best selling, and you don't know how to promote your product for easy and fastest way. So this video is for you. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Javed and currently I'm a student in Australia and I'm an affiliate marketer as well. I'm doing this as a side hustle and it's been a great journey and it's been fun, as it has created a different opportunity for me to live my life as I wanted, and it's pretty much going good. Today I'm here to share my knowledge on Amazon Associate Affiliate Program, and I hope you guys will like it. Let's go. So let's start with what is an Amazon Associate Program. So it's basically a program where you as an individual get signed up to a program where you can use Amazon Associate products to promote and make some commission through that. So number one, how do you get signed up for the process? So in your search engine, you just need to type Amazon Affiliate Program. Then click on the first link you have. There we go, we've got a sign up page. So you just need to click on sign up. So if you basically have an account from previous, you don't have to do it anything. I got my account from previous. But if you are new and you want to create your Amazon account, so you just need to go to create an Amazon account, put your name, put your details, put everything, and it will take you to, so this is your account. First of all, you have your account information, and the second one is website and apps list, and the third one is your profile, and the last one is starting using Amazon Central. So what you just need to do is put your address, and so it will ask you who is the main contact for this account. You will choose the first option, the pay listed above, because you are the one who will get paid. So you just need to choose the first one and click on next. So the second step is putting your own website or app you have created, or website you have. So lots of people don't have a website or anything, but you don't have to worry, you just skip this part. But I'll choose my website as I have got my website, and I'll choose it and then click on add, click on next, then click on no, confirm. There we go. And it will take you to your profile, then you will choose your name and everything. So let's go, let's do it. So I prefer my name as Javed Akthar, and then the website is already listed. Website and mobile about. So my website is generally about education, and go to the primary process. Which of the following topic best describe your website or mobile? So select. So it's an education. Education school reference. Second, same one. What type of item do you intend to list in your website or anything? So I'll choose books, digital downloads. I want this, electronics, Kindle, computer. That's it. What type are your website or mobile? So it's basically a blog post for me. Yeah, it's a blog. And how do you drive your traffic for the website? So it's asking, so here it's asking you about your traffic source and monetization. But lots of people don't have any kind of traffic source. Like lots of beginners in 2021, they don't have any kind of traffic source. So what you will do is you just choose social network, and I got blog, so I'll choose blog and others. That's it. You don't have to do anything. And then move on to the next step. How do you utilize your website and app to generate income? Click on the last option. Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my site. And again, same for this one. And how do you usually build links? So it's click on other. If you don't know anything, you just click on others. And then how many total unique visitors do your website or app get in per? So less than 500. What is your primary reason of joining Amazon Associate Program? So it's the most important one. So click on others, because that two option will lead you in somewhat trouble, I think, but it's not sure. You can choose anything. How did you hear about us? So I just wrote online search. You just click. Now you just have to put your character in this and done. click on agree, click on finish, and it will generate your Amazon associate unique associate ID. So now when you sign in, your dashboard will look like this, and on the top you'll see home, about, product link, promotion, tools, and everything. So this is basically your chart, how much you're earning does, and your products and everything. So after this, you might think of how much commission should an Amazon affiliate marketer get that, and here you can see like luxury beauty products 10% commission, you got digital products as 5%, and like list of product and their commission is listed below. You can go to their website and you can have a look, and there is a special commission as well. So these are the Prime Video, like Amazon Prime Video channel, Amazon Baby Registration, the drop text alert, Amazon Business, as you can get different special commission as well. Like there are tons of commission you can apply for, you can use it, you can learn for it, bonus events, you got like everything is sorted out here, so you can have a look. So let's move on to number 2, how to choose a best product. The recent study in 2021 shows the best product is digital product and technological product. So what does it mean is that you can sell laptops, ebook, Kindles, like accessories, technical accessories, gaming, PlayStation, like all kind of electronic devices. So let's go and find some product to promote. On your product linking, choose product link. There we go, you get us option to search all amazon.com, or you can search it by like individual. I'll search as all, and then I'll go for, there we go, we found 478 retails for Apple MacBook. So you can see that it's all the genuine product, it's all latest products. So the first one is 2020 Apple MacBook Air laptop with M1 chip. So how do you get the link for that? So it's 949.99 bucks. So click on get link. So if you want to promote your link on different social media platform, YouTube videos, or anywhere, you just need to choose text only, because it makes it easy for the client to look at it. And so click on text only, and then go for a standard link or short link. So important tip for you guys, short links are tend to create more sales than HTML or standard link. So you just choose short link, you just copy your link and then paste it somewhere you like. Step 3, now it's time to promote your link. So I recommend using TikTok, as in 2021 it has performed so well that it has beat YouTube in terms of views and has created more sales in any of the platform ever. And it's easy to use and you can do it on the go. So I recommend using TikTok to create more sales, and I hope you got some value from this video as an Amazon affiliate marketer. Remember guys, nothing is easy. You just need to do hard work and keep consistent. You will get more and more perfect in this thing. That's all for today. I'll meet you in next video.